What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video taking a look at a 1080p webcam that was sent out to me by the company called Fulminaire Technology. So a big shout out to them for sending this over for a review. This is the 2021 Wenkia 1080p webcam with dual stereo microphones and privacy cover. HD USB webcam with auto light correction for video chatting and online conferencing. Compatible with Windows and Mac, PC, and laptop. You can pick this up over on Amazon.com for $27.19. They're also offering a $6.80 coupon as well as of today. And I will drop the link down in the description if you guys want to pick it up. But there's a nice picture of the device. So let's take a look at a few of the other features and details of this. 1080p webcam, built-in privacy cover, clear and natural chat, auto light corrections, and let's keep strolling down here, see if we see anything else that's worth mentioning. So this has the CMOS sensor, 360 degree rotation from side to side, 180 up and down. Let's look down here and see what else we got. This will record 30 frames per second for Skype calls and Zoom meetings. Let's see what else we hear. Dual integrated stereo microphones, picking up your voice up to 15 feet away or 5. Auto light correction for your white balance. Easy to clip on. Just plug into your device, USB port, and start using right away. And this is compatible, like I said, with your Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Android 5.0 and above. And those are some of the features and details. So let's get into this box and check it out. All right, guys, so here's the box that it comes in. Just give you a picture of the device and the name branding there. Nothing special about the box. Has a little plastic here, so we're going to jump into this. Check it out, and I'm going to try my best to demonstrate this and let you guys see the quality and the microphones on this as well. And so let's get into it. So a nice blue and white packaging here, and the first thing we get here is some type of bracket, it looks like. Let's open it up and see. So yeah, there's a bracket. Gonna have to see what that's all about. Let me go ahead and just get everything out of here, and then we'll just look at it like that. All right, so also in the box you got your user's manual, which is this is going to tell you everything about the camera, let you know how to set it up. Here's the webcam. So you get this little bracket here, and you get your webcam. The power cord is fixed in place, so you cannot unplug it. I noticed that right away. That's your USB-A, and so this bracket is for your privacy cam. I figured it out already. So you're just gonna snap this in place like this and slide it over. So that is what that's for. You got your 2 stereo microphones here. You got some branding there, and then you got your little stand here if you want to use it on your desk like this. Then you can set it up like that, and you can also clip this to your monitor that I'm going to do right there. So got a little tape right here. Let's get that off. All right, so that is it. So you got your branding here, and that's pretty much all on the outside of it here, guys. So we're going to go ahead. Oh, okay. You do have a place where you can connect this to a tripod as well, right there. 1/4-20, I think they call that. And yeah, so very lightweight, and this is it. So let's go ahead and get it plugged in and try it out. Okay, guys, so here's the Wenkia 1080p webcam shooting 30 frames per second. This is the sound quality you're going to get from the 2 onboard mics. This is the video quality. As you see, your field of view is not too bad. I have a couple of LED lights here sitting on top of my monitor, hooked up to my Mac Mini. So this is the quality and that you're going to get from this little camera here. Here's the privacy cover. As you guys see, it shuts down everything. And this is the look. So I probably could adjust my lighting a little bit here and fine tune it like that, but out of the box it doesn't look too bad. So let's finish the video. Okay guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the Wenkia 1080p webcam with privacy cover. In my opinion, not too bad. This be perfect for your video chats, live streaming, Teams, and things like that. You can also rotate this side to side. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier. Video quality and audio quality wasn't bad. I think it'll work good for those things. And you do have a pretty long power cord here where you can plug it in. But I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Wheels, Gadgets, and more. I'm out.